Folks, listen up. Electric cars are booming now. You see them everywhere, right? Gas prices, still too high. People want something different. They want cleaner air. They want new technology. This isn't just some passing trend, it's the future, believe me. It's changing how we drive, so who is this Lucid Group? They're a newer player, folks. Stepping into this big EV game, and they're aiming high, right at the luxury market. Top of the line, understand? They say it's not just another car. They promise a whole new experience, a truly premium ride for you. Lucid has a really big vision. They want to build the best EVs. Period. No excuses. Think about amazing technology. Incredible battery range, folks. Super stylish, sleek designs. They are pushing all the limits. That's their main goal, to be the very best out there. Why should you even care about Lucid? Well, you work hard for your money. You want smart investments, don't you? Understanding these new companies, crucial, especially in these booming markets. Knowledge is power, folks. So, let's take a closer look at this company, Lucid Group, and what's up with their stock. Now, Lucid didn't just pop up. No sir, they weren't born yesterday. They actually started as Atieva, and they focused on batteries first. That's a smart move, right? Batteries are the heart of an EV, building that core expertise from the absolute ground up. That shows a solid foundation. Then came the really big steps. They made the shift to making cars. They unveiled the Lucid Air sedan, got the serious funding they needed, and then they started production. Actually building those cars, folks. Each one of these steps was a win. Proving they can get things done, building that important momentum. The Lucid Air, let me tell you, wow, that is their star, their flagship car. It is a definite head-turner. It has amazing range, some say the best, packed full of luxury features, a sleek, very modern look. It's already winning awards, folks. This car is a real contender. It shows they mean business. What about the team behind Lucid? Good people are absolutely key. Always remember that in any business. Lucid has hired some top talent, folks from big car companies, folks from major tech giants. Strong, capable leaders matter, especially in this tough auto business. This kind of expertise is a big plus. Alright, let's talk Lucid stock. The ticker is LCID, folks. It has been on a wild ride. Plenty of ups, plenty of downs. That's common for new tech stocks. It went public through a SPAC, special purpose acquisition company. Lots of early buzz and excitement. Then, some expected settling down. Look long-term, not at daily wiggles. So, what moves this stock price? Production numbers. That's a big one. How many cars are they delivering? News about new models matters too. The market's general feeling about EVs. And cash, folks. Cash is king. They need plenty of cash on hand to grow their business and build. That is the simple, plain truth. How does Lucid compare to Tesla? Tesla is the current EV giant, no doubt about it, everyone knows Tesla. But Lucid is playing a different game. They are focused on pure, high-end luxury. Think of it like this. Tesla wants to be like Ford was. Lucid, they're aiming to be EV Mercedes, a very different path they're taking. And what about Rivian, another newcomer? Rivian is also an exciting EV star. They make those electric trucks and SUVs. Both Lucid and Rivian, listen, they are both trying to carve out a niche, and both face some really big challenges. Scaling up production is incredibly hard. Reaching profitability is just as tough. It is a serious race out there. So what about Lucid's growth potential? I'd say there's huge potential there. The demand for luxury EVs is growing. It's really taking off, folks. If Lucid can deliver on promises, if they keep innovating their tech, there's a big market waiting. Their battery technology, a major edge, it's super efficient, very impressive. Market trends are also helping Lucid. Governments worldwide want cleaner cars. They are pushing for that change. Battery costs, they will come down. Eventually that will happen. More charging stations are popping up. You see them everywhere now. The whole EV wave is rising fast. This helps companies like Lucid succeed, but you have to be smart. Risks exist. Making cars is a tough business. I mean, it is really, really tough. The competition out there is fierce. They need cash, lots and lots of it, and they absolutely must build cars without letting quality slip one bit. These are some very big hurdles. You need to understand these risks. So, is Lucid a buy it now stock? Now hold on, I always tell you get yourself out of debt first. Then, invest in good growth stock mutual funds. For these individual stocks, listen carefully. You must do your own homework. Lucid has a fantastic product, no doubt. A clear luxury focus, smart technology, but it is speculative. That means higher risk. This is not for your emergency fund, folks. but it's an interesting one to watch. If you believe in their luxury EV niche, don't bet the farm, but it's a story unfolding.